Thank you very much. Akwa Ibom is song. Akwa Ibom is song. Arise. That same God. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, our dear leader, our mentor, our governor, Pastor Umobasi Eno, the newest member of the All Progressive Congress of Akwa Ibom State of Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, we were taught in elementary philosophy the story of Socrates, a great philosopher in Athens, in ancient Greece, who said, an unexamined life is not worth living. Your Excellency, that shows deep reflection, deep self-introspection. Your Excellency, you have consulted widely with Algon, consulted with all other interest groups within Akwa Ibom State. Your Excellency, we are here, all chairmen of local government, under the aegis of Association of Local Government of Nigeria, Algon, Akwa Ibom State Branch. We are all here to reaffirm our support for you, Your Excellency. We are here to reaffirm our faith and confidence in you, Your Excellency. We are here to reaffirm that your movement to the Progressive Governors Forum, your movement to the All Progressive Congress today is quite historic, Your Excellency. And we know you have love for us, deep love for the grassroots. In the last 2 years, Your Excellency, you have belabored yourself throughout, solving the needs of the local government areas, doing projects all over the local government, assisting us, Your Excellency. The meeting point is that the President loves the local government, Chairman, and you also love us. This is the only state, Your Excellency, where the governor is building lodges for chairmen free of charge. In all other places, we hear of autonomy, people fighting over autonomy, but here you are supporting the local government authority, Your Excellency. And so, as loyal party people, as loyal servants, we are here to say that, Your Excellency, we will move with you. And we have moved today with you to the All Progressive Congress, the APC. Your Excellency, all your chairmen are solidly with you. Thank you so much. Please send our warm regards and felicitations to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Senate President of Nigeria, that we are solidly with them. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, and God bless Akwa Ibom State. APC!
That welcome handshake from His Excellent Executive Council, and next to come forward to also declare their solidarity and of course also declare their movement to the All Progressives Congress.